Is your Wi-Fi connected but the internet just on load? It's super frustrating, right? Don't worry, you are not definitely only one who deals with this. In just a few minutes, I will walk you through 3 proven, simple and super effective methods to fix Wi-Fi connected but no internet problems on Windows 11 Pro quickly and easily. Fix 1. Update your network drivers. First thing first, click on the Start button and search for Device Manager. From the results, click on it to open. Now, look for your Wi-Fi adapter. If you are not sure which one it is, you can open vNetwork connections and check the name of your adapter you are using, whether it is Wi-Fi or Ethernet. This method works the same way. Then come back to Device Manager, find that adapter, right-click on it and select Update Drivers. Now choose Search Automatically for Drivers and click on it. Let Windows check for updates and install the latest version. If that solves the issue, that's great. If not, no worries. Let's try the next method. Fix 2. Check your network settings. Click on the Start button and search for vNetwork connections. Once it's appear, click to open it. Now find your Wi-Fi adapter. This is what your PC uses to connect to the internet. Whether you are using Wi-Fi or Ethernet, this method works for both. Right-click on your Wi-Fi adapter and select Properties. Scroll down and double-click on Internet Protocol version 4 TCP/IPv4. Now choose Use the following DNS server address. In the preferred DNS server box, type 8.8.8.8. and in the alternate DNS server box, type 8.8.4.4. These are Google's public DNS server. They are fast, secure, and super reliable. Once you have typed them correctly, go ahead and click on OK and OK again. The small tweaks alone has solved the issue for many users, so go ahead and check if your internet is back. If it is, that's awesome. If not, let's move on the next method. Fix 3. Use command prompt to reset network. Click on the Start button and search for Command Prompt. Right-click on it and select Run as Administrator. This step is important. Once the command prompt window opens, you will enter a few commands that reset your network settings and clear out anything causing conflicts. Don't worry, I have listed all the commands in the description or pinned comment below for you, so you can easily copy and paste them one by one. After typing each command, make sure to press Enter. These commands will reset your IP settings, flush your DNS cache, refresh your entire network configuration, all of which can fix stubborn internet problems. Once you are done, restart your PC. And when your system boots back up, your internet should be working smoothly again.